The aroma of toasted sesame fills the air as gentle chili heat begins to rise. Soy milk blends in softly, creating a creamy, smooth broth full of comfort. Each spoonful carries warmth and depth like ramen from a small shop. A bowl that feels both rich and kind, just like home cooking in Asia. Let's make it together in your kitchen.